But we're going to stay in North Carolina, but this time we're heading to Dare County.
This area has been heavily impacted by this weekend's weather. We've been tracking some outages there as well. We do have Layla Cox, who is live this morning. And Layla, I know a big thing that we've been talking about with you has been the wind.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's right, Eugene and Ashley. The wind gusts have been major this morning as compared to when we first got here yesterday morning around 6 a.m. So definitely a major difference within the past 24 hours. But, you know, this area where I'm in right now in the Outer Banks is, you know, one of the most popular beach attractions, you know, besides, you know, our lovely beaches in Hampton Roads. And it's really turned into kind of a winter wonderland. If I can take you guys over here, this is one of the establishment winks. Believe it or not, yesterday I was able to sit on one of these benches, but as you can see, it's just taking me quite some time to actually get over here, and you can't even, I mean, I'm sitting in snow at this point. It's completely different from the beach, normal, coastal, sunny heat vibe that, you know, people love to come down here. We haven't seen many people out here this morning besides a lovely Kitty Hawk police officer that came to check in on us to make sure that we actually weren't stuck currently where our car is, because as you can see, these roads are impassable. The snow accumulation within the past 24 hours have made these roadways very snowy. I would have to say not quite icy yet, but definitely not the conditions you want to be driving on. And earlier I just heard Craig and I said, wow, I was waiting to figure out the terminology to call it, but if you turn around, Jaron, and show them the wind tractions that are blowing along those lights, and even over here at this establishment, a snow-nado, that's the word that I was looking for to try to describe what we're kind of seeing playing out with these blizzard conditions down here in the Outer Banks. I mean, the frigid cold temperatures with the combination of these winds, you can hear them. I definitely heard them all morning, and they're picking up, and it's just going to continue to linger into the rest of the day. So be sure to stay inside and stay warm. For now, live in the Outer Banks, I'm Layla Cox, 13 News Now.
Layla, you're doing such a great job showing the impacts of all of this. I mean, to see you try to walk to, and look, I know you work out, Layla, so I know if it was keeping you from, you know, it was that hard for you to get onto that bench.
But she's got on the proper attire. You see, you got the strong boots that you need in this weather. I see you prepared very much for these live shots. So we thank you very much, Layla, for your reporting this morning. Doing a great job.